Hello guys, in this video we will be seeing how to clean your mobile phone completely. First we need a hand sanitizer, earbuds and a microfiber cloth. First apply a little amount of hand sanitizer on your screen. Then take the microfiber cloth and rub it gently towards your screen. Clean the fingerprint scanner area thoroughly. Clean all sides of your mobile. Be careful while cleaning the aux cable jack, charging port and speaker. After cleaning it, take a earbuds and insert it in the charging port and headphone jack. Screw it inside the headphone jack. After doing it, rub it towards the exterior part. Turn your phone and clean your camera with the help of earbuds. Clean the audio receiver. Then turn your phone, apply a little amount of hand sanitizer and then rub it gently with the microfiber cloth. After cleaning, turn your phone again. You can see the smudges in the display. Rub it with the help of microfiber cloth. After doing it, your phone will be completely free from bacteria and virus. Thank you for watching this video guys. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video and click on the bell icon.